Good afternoon, students. And today I will explain about how to draw circuit diagram based on your equation. Okay. See, and we will use different logic gates, basic gates or NOT and, as well as universal gates, NAND NOR, and also we'll try for using XOR gate. Okay, now see, today we will learn about how to draw circuit diagrams using logic gates and based on your equation. Now see, okay. Yes, towards circuit diagram using logic gates. Okay, see. Before that, I will draw. My audio is clear. Hello, students.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Before I will draw, before that I will draw basic diagrams. Okay, see, basic symbol, NOT gate. A is input, therefore Y equal to A.
A bar.
Then OR gate. Here I will write here. I will first draw AND gate. I will use a different color. Y equal to A into B. Okay, multiplication. Then OR gate, I will use a different color. A, B, and Y equal to A plus B. Okay. Then NAND gate. With bubble. A, B, Y equal to A into B whole. Okay. Then
सर और गेट का एक इनपुट आपने नहीं लगाया आउटपुट.
okay. Thank you so much, dear student. NOR gate or NOR or first draw or with bubble, and this is your A, B. Then yes, what is the Y for NOR? Anyone? Can I write A plus
A
B?
plus B the whole bar.
A plus B the whole bar. Okay. Then we learn about XOR
XOR.
gate. XOR. For XOR, can I draw like this?
Yes, sir.
A, B, and here Y equal to plus sign embedded in circle A XOR B. Or you can write Y equal to
A bar B
bar B plus
plus
A B
B
bar.
bar.
Okay. A B bar. Okay. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, we can write परदेसी कौन है? This is about basic gates, universal gate, and here Excel gate. Okay, yes. Then I will write equation, and then we will see how to draw diagram. I will show. Yes. Dear students, suppose now equation is like this. Suppose y equal to a plus b plus c plus d. Okay, this is your see y equal to a plus b plus c plus d. That is
OR gate
yes, OR
with
gate.
4 inputs.
Yes, OR gate with 4 inputs. Therefore, I will draw 4 vertical lines. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, A, B, C, and D. Okay, and I will use OR gate. Okay, now see 1 show connection to A, one line from B, one line from C, and one line from D. Therefore, here I'll write y equal to A plus B plus C plus D. Understood, dear student? Hello.
Input.
Then proceed.
Yes, sir.
Yes, suppose y equal to like this. Now, suppose y equal to suppose A, B, C, and D. A into B into C into D means your draw AND gate with 4 inputs. Therefore, I will draw 1, 2, 3, 4, A, B, C, D. A connect to B, then C and D. Okay. Therefore, here y equal to A into B into C into D. Understood, dear student? Hello.
Yeah, sir.
Yes. Now, suppose I will shift. Yes. Suppose next equation is y equal to. Suppose next is y equal to A B C D whole bar. Okay. And yes, y equal to A into
NAND,
B into C into D. That is
NAND
NAND
gate with
gate. Yes, NAND
4
gate with
inputs.
4 inputs. Okay, NAND gate with 4 inputs. Therefore, first I will draw 4 vertical lines. 1, A, B, C, and D. A, B, C, and D. Then symbol of NAND gate. Connect A, B, C, and D. Okay. A, B, C, and D. Dear student, my humble request is please mute yourself. Dear student, if possible. Okay, thank you so much. Thank you so much. Okay, if you have any question, you can ask. Okay, dear student, if you have any question, you can ask. Thank you so much. And this is your NAND gate. Y equal to A, B, C, D, A. Okay. Suppose y equal to a plus b plus c plus d plus e. Yes, this is which type of gate? NOR
Yes,
gate.
sir.
Five
NOR gate.
input.
Therefore, I will draw one A, B, C, D, E. A, B, C, D, E are five inputs to which gate? Yes, student. Which gate? Can I draw NOR gate?
NOR gate.
Yes. So here I will draw for NOR gate. Okay.
Not.
Therefore, take one line from A, B, C, D, and E. Okay. And then show junction. And hence y is equal to a plus b plus c plus d plus e whole. Yes, can I proceed for next point? Hello, student.
Yes, sir.
Yes, 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 yes. Thank you so much. Now see. Yes. I will use different color. Okay. See, suppose next is y is equal. Suppose y is equal to in bracket a plus b plus c, in second bracket a bar plus b bar plus c. Okay. And the question is draw circuit diagram for given equation y equal to a plus b plus c and second bracket a bar plus b bar plus c bar. Okay. Now see, first bracket is a plus b plus c. That is your that is
Or
your
gate.
that is your three inputs. Which type of gate? Anyone?
Or
Yes, three input or gate. Okay, three input or gate. And second bracket a bar plus b bar plus c
NOR
bar,
gate.
that is not NOR gate. This is not whole bar, dear students.
Yes, sir.
Okay, therefore see how to draw this circuit diagram. Okay, now see, therefore for
Sir, we will
here,
use NOT gate, right?
yes, you should use not as a combination of not and or. Okay, see, plus means OR gate, into means use AND gate, and A bar means NOT gate plus again OR gate. Okay. Now see how we can draw circuit diagram for given equation. Now here there are three inputs. Yes or no? A, B, C are inputs with
Yes, sir.
complements A bar, B bar, and C bar. Therefore, first I will draw uh, three vertical lines. C for ABC. C. And then I will draw three more lines for A bar, B bar, and C bar. Okay, now see how to draw A, B, and C. Here I will write A input, B input, and C input. Okay, then I will use a different color for complement of A, B, C. That is A bar, B bar, and C bar. Okay, C. Then for A bar, yes, for A bar, you should use which type, which gate? NOT gate. कौन सा gate? NOT. So here I will take NOT.
Not.
A bar. B bar. Yes, understood, dear student, up to this level. We have ABC, A bar,
Yes,
B bar,
sir.
and C bar. Now see, first uh, I will draw circuit diagram for uh, first bracket is your A plus B plus C. That is, you should use which type of gate? OR gate. Okay. Now see, I will use different color. A plus B plus C. See, here I will take, I will draw orbit, then show. Here I need A plus B plus C. Output should be A plus B plus C. Therefore, I'll take one line from A, one line from B, and one line from C. Therefore, then I will show connections. This is your A, this is your B, and this is your C, and this is your orbit. This is your first. Yes, dear student, understood up to this level. Can I proceed for next point?
Yes.
If, yes. What
Yes,
is,
sir.
yes, but then see second bracket, then dear student, then see your second bracket.
Again,
And
or
second bracket is again, see, this is your plus means or, but what are the inputs for that OR gate? A bar, B bar, and C bar.
A
Okay.
bar plus B bar C bar.
Yes, therefore I will use one more OR gate. I will use different color or, and here आउटपुट शुड बी ए बार प्लस बी बार प्लस सी बार. मुझे आउटपुट क्या चाहिए? ए बार प्लस बी बार प्लस सी बार मुझे आउटपुट चाहिए. एंड देयरफॉर इनपुट शुड बी ए बार बी बार एंड सी बार.
सर
देयरफॉर टेक
सर थोड़ा सा
बोल.
रिपीट करो ना वो जो आपने गेट्स बनाए.
ओके ओके, नो प्रॉब्लम. कैन आई इरेज दिस? शैल आई रिपीट ऑल्सो फ्रॉम दिस? हेलो,
हाँ,
ए पूरा रिपीट करूं?
यस सर. हाँ सर.
Okay, see, what is our equation? Y equal to a plus b plus c into second bracket is this part. Okay, इसलिए a plus b plus c के लिए first see, there are three inputs a b plus c with complement a bar b bar c bar. इसलिए मैंने three lines draw किया. Green color का line a b c, उसका जो complement है that is blue color का line a bar b bar c bar. इतना समझा?
Yes,
Because
sir. Yes.
if A is input of NOT gate, therefore output will be A bar. If B is input of NOT gate, output will be B bar. And if C is input of NOT gate, output C bar. Because we need A bar, B bar and C bar. We need A bar, B bar and C bar. Understood? But first
Yeah.
bracket is what? A plus B plus C. इसलिए मैंने OR gate use किया. Output should be A plus B plus C if and only if inputs are A, B, C. Understood? Now I'll take second bracket, that is A bar, B bar plus C bar. Shall I proceed?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So now I will take A bar, second bracket, A bar plus B bar plus C bar. See, first that is OR, I will draw OR gate symbol. First I will draw, first always write output. देखो, A bar मुझे चाहिए plus B bar and C bar. Now output is A bar plus B bar plus C bar means input should be, मुझे इधर क्या चाहिए? A bar. So therefore A bar is here, therefore connect. Understood? Next is what? I want B bar. So take one wire from B here and connect to, and one more is there, that is C bar. ये आपका C bar है. ये आपका C bar है. Understood, dear student, up to this level. Again, this is your
Yes, sir.
OR. But what is your
Yes, sir.
final? But final is
And
what?
gate.
Multiplication of two gates. Multiplication of two equations. First bracket and second bracket. Therefore, use one more what? Then use AND gate because this is your input
And
sign.
and
Therefore,
gate.
yes. Therefore, final output you should take at AND gate. This is this is your AND. Okay, therefore inputs are, there are two inputs, A plus B plus C into A bar plus B bar plus C. Understood dear student? Hello,
Yes, sir.
समझा ये कैसे मैंने, देखो, ड्रॉ, डिवाइड होल इक्वेशन कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री into small part and then draw your circuit diagram. Understood? First find out the total number of inputs required and then draw vertical lines for its respective lines and then use logic gates. Yes, understood? Dear student, can I proceed next
Yes, sir.
equation? Okay. Now see, suppose next equation is like this. Suppose ऐसा equation. Suppose y equal to a b c plus a plus b plus c. Yes, dear student. See, I will use the first digit pointer.
and
Yes. अभी देखो, आपका जो फर्स्ट टर्म है, फर्स्ट टर्म इज योर,
9.
first term is your
3 inputs.
NAND gate with 3 inputs. बराबर, NAND gate with your 3 inputs. And your second bracket is there are again
NOR
3
gate.
inputs. Yes, NOR gate with and addition of these two brackets. First bracket which is your NAND gate and second is your NOR gate. Okay. So see, first I will draw 3 vertical lines. कितने lines? 3 vertical lines. Now see. A, B, and C. Here I will write A, B, and C. Then use NAND gate. Here I want A, B, C whole bar. Okay, A, B, C whole bar. Therefore, connect to A, B, and C, and show connection A, B, and C. This is your, then write here NAND. Okay, then second bracket is your A plus B, C whole bar. Therefore, here I will draw
Or
NOR gate. And here I need A plus B plus C whole bar. Therefore, here I can take wire from A, B, and C. Then show junctions. This is your A, B, C. A, B, C. And final is what? Which gate? Plus. Plus means what? Which gate? Anyone?
Or
Or. Therefore, I will extend this
gate.
पार्ट में A है and draw or okay, and see, and final output is y is equal to ABC whole bar plus A plus B plus C. Understood dear student? Yes, any doubt up to this level?
yes, sir.
In exam I will give you equation, or for assignment I will give equation, and based on that try to draw diagrams, and if you have any doubt query you can ask. Yes, next time I will next yes I will shift upward. See, there is direction, and then see the next is suppose y equal to a bar b plus a b bar into a b c. C. Next equation is dear student. Yes, y equal to a bar b plus a b bar into second bracket is a b c, a into b into c bar. Okay, now see, first bracket is a bar b plus a b bar, and this is Boolean equation for which gate? Anyone? Dear student.
XOR gate.
Yes, perfect.
No, sir.
Means
XOR.
XOR gate. Uh, this is the first bracket indicate the equation for XOR gate. Instead of drawing all gates, A bar B means A bar into B. Only see, we know that this is the Boolean equation for A bar B plus AB bar is for XOR gate. Therefore, directly I will draw like this. I will rewrite this as A plus sign embedded in the circle, B into remaining part, AB into C. Understood, dear student, up to this level? Can I proceed? So, first see your equation. Don't directly draw. Just see, find out if there is any relation with your basic gate or logical Boolean equation for gate, and then try to minimize your. Yes. Understood up to this level? Can I proceed? Dear student. हेलो
Yes, sir.
देखो मैंने ए बार बी प्लस
So
ए
we
बी
need
बार
to simplify the equation first.
क्या क्या हुआ बेटा हेलो
तो सेकंड स्टेप फिर से बोल रहे हो सिंबल वाला समझाना।
ओके वेरी गुड नाइस अभी देखो नाउ आई विल यूज लेजर पॉइंटर टुमारो आई एम टेकिंग एक्सपेरिमेंट ऑन लेजर ठीक है सी दिस इज विच कलर ये कौन सा कलर है लेजर का
रेड।
परफेक्ट रेड कलर ओके देखो डियर स्टूडेंट ए बार बी प्लस ए बी बार इज इक्वेशन फॉर ए सॉरी इसलिए इंस्टेड ऑफ दिस वी कैन राइट ए और बी ए इंटू साइन है सेम इंटू साइन मैंने रखा है और ये सेकेंड ब्रैकेट है देर इज नो चेंज वो वैसा ही रखा है कैन आई प्रोसीड नेक्स्ट हेलो स्टूडेंट अंडरस्टूड अप टू दिस लेवल कैसे आया हेलो
यस सर यस सर यस
एक मिनट सर मिलिंद ओके 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 उनको मैंने वापस मैं एक करता हूँ यस नाउ सी your left side bracket is a plus a XOR b that is a plus sign embedded in the circle a XOR b into ab c bar okay now see a XOR b we can use XOR gate and there are three inputs a b and c bar therefore I will draw three vertical lines this is for a A, B, and C. But we need complement of
ए बी फर्स्ट
complement of C. Here, student only use this part.
C.
Okay. Yes.
ओके सर
We need complement of C. Therefore, I'll take not gate
फॉर सी
Not
for C. That is C. Okay. Now see. First, I will draw diagram for A XOR B. This is your A. Sorry. एक minute. Understood, dear student, up to this level? This is your XOR.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, second bracket is
Yes,
A, B, C bar.
sir.
That is you. Then we will use which gate? AND gate. And output is A, B, C.
B, C bar.
So here I'll take one wire from A,
A, one from B, one first.
one from B, and one from C. C bar.
Okay.
C bar. So here this is your AND gate. And final is into. Into means product of two brackets.
Gate.
Into means AND gate.
Gate.
Therefore, I will use therefore final output is A XOR B into A, B, C. Yes, understood, dear student, up to this level?
Yes.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now we will take two more and then I will check. Yes. Next is suppose y equal to yes, student. Now see. Yes, y equal to ABC. First bracket, second bracket is y equal to ABCD, and third bracket is a PQR whole bracket. Okay. Now, see what are the steps to draw circuit diagram for such a long or complicated equation. Okay, it's not complicated, but see. Now, I will assume first bracket is x1, second bracket is x2, and third bracket will be x3. Now, see here I will write x1 equal to suppose x1 equal to ABC, x2 equal to ABCD, and x3 equal to PQR. Hello student. X1 assume
Sir.
x1 equal to ABC, x2 is ABCD, and x3 is PQR whole bracket. Therefore, your equation can be written as, dear student, y equal to x1 plus x2 plus x3. We can write x1 plus x2 plus x3 whole bar. Understood, dear student? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now x1 plus x2 plus x3 whole bar is which gate? हेलो स्टूडेंट, दिस इज नॉर गेट. कौन सा गेट है ये? नॉर गेट है. therefore c here I need output equal to x1 plus x2 plus x3 whole bar. सपोज ये मुझे आउटपुट चाहिए, तो आपका इनपुट शुड बी हियर x1 x2 एंड क्या चाहिए इधर x3. हेलो स्टूडेंट, अंडरस्टूड अप टू दिस लेवल? देखो,
Yes, sir.
but what is your x1? Now x1 is your ABC, x2 is your ABCD, and x3 is your PQR whole bar. Now I will draw. Yes, therefore total number of required vertical lines. Tell your student, please tell me, what are the total number of required vertical lines? Total number
Three.
of number.
3.
ABC के लिए 3 होगा, D के लिए 4, PQR के लिए
2.
3 मोर, 3 ना, PQR ना 3.
हाँ.
तो टोटल we need 7 वर्टिकल लाइंस. देखो, तो मुझे 7 वर्टिकल लाइंस चाहिए. ये हुआ A, ये है आपका B, ये आपका C, दिस इज D, P, Q एंड R. तो मुझे कितनी चाहिए? 7 चाहिए. तो सी, फर्स्ट इज x1 इज ABC, therefore here I will draw which gate? ABC means which gate?
And gate, sir.
वेरी गुड, एंड गेट. तो इसलिए मैं आई विल ड्रॉ हियर एंड गेट. ये आपका एंड गेट है. इफ हियर वी नीड ABC, then I'll take one wire and connect here, and ABC means take one wire from A, one wire from B, and one wire from C. तो ये हुआ A, B, C. Yes, what is the x2? x2 is
Sorry, 3.
ABCD.
Same.
x2 is आपका ABCD है. तो again we need
And gate.
AND gate. ये आपका है AND. ABCD मतलब draw, take one wire from A, B, C and D. 1, 2, 3, 4.
And gate.
And next is x3 is your PQR whole bar. PQR
Yes, sir.
whole bar means which gate?
NAND gate.
NAND
Yes,
gate.
NAND
NAND
gate.
gate.
PQ, P
सर वो
into Q. बोल.
सर फर्स्ट वाले में ABC लिया, D पे नहीं लिया है.
x1 ना, x1 is ABC ना
चल.
बेटा.
हाँ
हाँ.
सर.
x1 is ABC, therefore only take a wire from ABC, not from D.
सॉरी.
Okay, no problem, no problem. So x3 is your PQR, P into Q into R whole bar. Therefore, P into Q into whole bar means this is your P input
NAND
gate.
gate.
NAND gate. Therefore, here I'll draw and take from PQR, not from ABC. Therefore, I will use different color. I will use different color for PQR. See, one wire from P, one wire from Q, and one here. Yes. Understood, dear student, up to this level?
में 3.
समझा? Therefore, Means these are the procedure steps to how to draw circuit diagrams using logical gates based on your
Yes, sir.
equation.
Practice.
Okay. Yes. Any doubt up to this level, dear student? Okay. I will
Discontinue,
share
but
all this. I will share all these PDF files
nice,
as
sir.
well as with you. Don't take intention. Yes. Any suggestion? Uh, Homework. I will shift. Yes. Now homework is C. Just for homework. One, two. Second is y equal to okay, dear student. This is
Nice,
your
sir.
homework.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so this is your homework, and then please try to draw diagram for this equation. There are 5 different equations, and try to draw. If you have any query doubt, we can solve next lecture. Yes. Thank you so much, dear student. And if you have any query, now you can session is open for any if you have any query. Okay, thank you so much, student. Please write your full name and roll number in chat box. And if you have any query, you can,
Thank you.
you can. Thank you. Thank you so much for your.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Thank you. Bye.